Yo, what is going on YouTube? Technically T, and you see what we have in front of us today, man. We have the OnePlus 6T. Now I did, of course, go out and buy this with my own money. No, nothing was sent to me, so you know I'm going to keep it real when it comes to this device. I love OnePlus devices. If you haven't seen any of the videos, I will link them below of the OnePlus 6. That was one of my favorite phones of earlier this year, man. Absolutely love the OnePlus 6. It was an excellent device, so I already know the 6T will be on point as well. Now, I did go out and get the 8GB 126 gig version, and we did grab it up in that midnight black. So let's go ahead and get into it. I don't have any knife, so hopefully my nails will work just for that little bit. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Boom, there it is. So boom, we are greeted with the OnePlus 6T, and you do have that little indication that we do have a in-screen fingerprint scanner. You know what I'm going at, man. Another indication, they let you know what's going on right now. So let's go ahead and get to the contents up in the box. Let's pop this off, man. So inside, we can take some out. You know, we have the documentation and we have the, let's see, documentation. I'm pretty sure we got maybe see, boom, boom, boom. All right, yeah, just documentation. You already know the standard procedures. They do come with a case. Now, I always can respect a company that gives you a case in the packaging. I think a lot of people should do this because as much as we're paying for these devices, it's not the best case, but it's better than nothing. And right now, I don't have a case for the OnePlus 6T, so this will have to work for right this second. Invitation letter. So let's go ahead and look at this. It's a word from Pete. So what up, Pete? OnePlus CEO. You can kind of peel that back and read that letter. That's pretty dope touch. You can actually peel that back, read that letter. We'll read that on our own time. We don't need to get into that. As you see, we do get our dash charger. Absolutely love this charger from OnePlus, and they do come with their standard, you already know, red OnePlus charge cord. Red OnePlus cord. I love this cord, man. So they always give you a OnePlus 6 cord, and you see you have your little dongle. I'm not going to use these. Let's go ahead and put them right back in there, and let's just set all of these things, boom, 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 off to the side. And let's actually take a look. Documentation. I was like, let's take a look at this isn't the phone. You guys don't want to see that either. So let's take a look at the phone itself. So this is basically telling you where the fingerprint scanner is, man. And we'll peel that off. We don't need to read that at all. And then on the back, let's go ahead and peel that off. And let's remove some of this IMEI situational stuff over there. So let's take a look at that midnight black, man. And I always like the finish that OnePlus comes with their devices. You can see there you get that little teardrop notch. Now let's go ahead and take this screen protector off because we're not going to need this. And I know a lot of people might keep it up there, but I am taking it off just as soon as I can get my finger up under it. So let's go. Boom. So it is officially naked. All the fingerprints will happen now. You see you get that dual camera layout in the back. You get your flash below. You get your OnePlus logo. You get designed by OnePlus down here. On that right side, you get that perfect volume control switch, man. I love that toggle switch. I feel more phones should have that. You get your power button, you get your volume, your up and down, and you get your little microphone up here. On the bottom, you get your USB Type-C charger, and you get your single firing speaker, even though it does have dual grills. So let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. Let's see if we got some juice in it. Okay, there it is, powered by Android. So I'm really looking forward to getting to this, man. OnePlus 6 was such a great device. Now I know this is something like an incremental upgrade, so we will see how this does. We are going to use this as my daily driver. If you don't know, I do have a Google Pixel 3 XL, so I kind of will be using both of these in conjunction with each other to see how they are. So let's go ahead and pause this video, man. I'm going to go ahead and put all my information up there, and we're going to get back into it, and we're going to actually go through the OS and see how it feels. All right, so we finally got it all set up, man, and just breezing through it. You already know OnePlus software. Oxygen OS to me is the best Android skin out there. If I must put an Android skin on something, it's going to be Oxygen OS, man. I absolutely love it. Now, let's go ahead and test out that in-screen fingerprint scanner. To me, it works fairly good. Everybody says it's kind of hard to find, but if you have your always on display, it's going to pop up. And then you see that little logo right there, boom, it's unlocked. I mean, that's as quick as you need it to be. Boom, unlocked. So I think that's a pretty dope feature. We will see how that does. You know, I like to run tempered glass screen protectors. I know OnePlus says use only their screen protectors, but you know your boy ain't gonna listen to that. Coming from a person who do accessories, man, we're gonna get into some third parties and we're gonna see if it works. So overall, so far, pretty nice. I haven't taken any pictures or anything. This literally has just been turned on, but here it is, midnight black OnePlus 6T. This will be on my other SIM. I basically have two main SIMs. This bad boy will be on one SIM, and then we're going to have the Pixel 3 XL in the other one, because we're going to compare these jokers, because I think this may end up being a better buy than your Pixel 3 XL. But definitely stay tuned to the channel. You already know we're going to get into plenty of OnePlus 6T coverage, because I really like this phone, man. I really want this to be one of my Android phones for the long haul, because I'm kind of in this kick of cheaper devices but performing just like you're performing with the big dogs when it comes to the Note 9, when it comes to that $1,000 Pixel 3 XL, certain things like that, man. So this is what we're going to get into. So stay tuned to the channel. OnePlus 6T, we will be getting into plenty of videos. If you want to see something in particular, you already know, man. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. But until next time, hit that thumbs up on the video, man. Comment down below and definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to. I'm going to catch you on the next one, man. Later.